Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create scenarios in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, we would like to create two scenarios. Scenario with 2024 salary and scenario with 2025 salary. So if we want to create first scenario, we need to select the column where we want to insert scenarios. So I select this one column with header and data, and then I go to tools and I go to scenarios. Now I need to type here name of scenario, so for example I type here 2024. I uncheck this option copy back and I uncheck this option prevent change. I recommend you to change maybe color. I will set it to red and I click OK. After that, first scenario will be successfully created here. So now if we want to create another one scenario, we need to change values here. For example, I change it to 2025. I change the salary maybe to 5,000 for Adam, maybe to 6,000 for Camille. I insert here 2,000 for Gabby, 3,000 for John, and maybe 5,000 for Martin. Okay, now we need to again select data, so I will select the header and the data, and I go to tools, I go to scenarios, and I will add another scenario. I type here name 2025. I uncheck copy back, I uncheck prevent change, and I change color maybe to this one, to green, and I click OK. Now we have two scenarios available here. If you will click on this one button, you will be able to change scenario to another one and the data will be changed. So it is how it works. If I helped you to create scenarios in LibreOffice Calc, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.